Make a great choice today with the 2007 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.